Hello guys, today we are going to install Windows 11 in VirtualBox. So let's begin. I have given the link for this website in description. You can click there or you can visit Windows 11 official website. Here scroll down and select this option and just click on the download. Here select the installation language you want and click on confirm. Now in this page, click on 64-bit download. It will download your ISO file. Now open the VirtualBox. Click on new. Enter the name of virtual machine you want here. Select the storage location. Select the ISO file we downloaded earlier. Don't do anything here. These are default username and passwords. In hostname, just remove the blank space. Click on guest additions. Select the ISO file. The hardware and hard disk specs leave it as a default. Click on next. It will start the installation process. Press any key here. Here, if you have the product key, you can enter it here. If you don't have, just click on the I don't have the product key option. The installation has started. Just wait until it finishes. The Windows 11 is successfully installed. If you guys have any questions, you can comment below. Thank you for watching.